Looking for a tasty, low-carb snack? I have the perfect recipe for you. These protein balls are packed with good stuff to keep you energized and satisfied. They are easy to make and absolutely delicious. To make these low-carb protein balls, start by mixing 1 pound of ground beef with a half a cup of bacon crumbles, half a cup of pork rind crumbs, 1 cup of shredded cheese, and 1 egg in a large bowl. Then add a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a pinch of white pepper to taste. Then mix all the ingredients well. I like to use my hands to really get in there and mix it up. It helps to ensure the egg is spread evenly and everything sticks together nicely. I keep mixing until the mixture feels consistent and holds together well. Once the mixture is well combined, use a spoon or your hands to form the mixture into small balls, about 1 to 2 inches in diameter. Place the balls on a large plate or cutting board lined with wax paper. Make sure to space them out so they do not touch each other. This helps to prevent them from sticking together later. You should end up with around 17 to 20 protein balls, depending on the size you make them. Try to make them the same size so they freeze and cook evenly. Once you have shaped all the mixture into balls, place the cutting board or plate in the freezer. Let them freeze for a few hours until the protein balls are solid. Freezing them helps keep them deliciously moist and tender when you cook them straight from frozen. This way, they will not dry out, and you will get juicy, flavorful protein balls every time. The freezing process locks in the moisture, making them even more enjoyable to eat once they are cooked. After a few hours, once the protein balls are frozen solid, take them out of the freezer. Then place the balls on a wire rack, leaving some space between each one. Cooking them on a wire rack instead of directly on a tray allows the hot air to circulate all around the balls. This helps them cook more evenly and get that nice, crispy outside. Place a sheet of aluminum foil on the oven rack underneath to catch any drippings and make cleanup easier. Then, pop the wire rack with the protein balls into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 25 minutes until they are golden brown and cooked through. You can check with a meat thermometer to make sure they reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius inside. These protein balls are super tasty and have no carbs, making them ideal for those following a low-carb or keto diet or anyone looking for a simple protein-packed snack. If you liked this low-carb protein balls recipe, then check out this 3-ingredient, healthy, no-carb cake recipe here.